everyone, Edward here and welcome to Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix broken registry items in Windows 11. The first solution that you should always take in consideration in this case is to run deployment image and system file scans. To do this, just click the Windows button, then type cmd and run command prompt as an administrator. Then in the command prompt just copy-paste the following command and press enter. You will also find this command in the description below. When the first scan has finished, just input the system file command and press enter. You will also find this command in the description below. Now wait for the system file scan to reach 100% and display an outcome message. Then you can close the command prompts window. Another solution is to run the disk cleanup tool. Press the Windows button, then type disk cleanup and select it from the search result. In the disk cleanup window, you can also press on the cleanup system files, and after the process is finished, just make sure to select all the file checkboxes in the disk cleanup, then press the OK button to open the dialog box. Now press the delete files button on that dialog box. Another useful solution is to use the startup repair. To do this, click the Windows button, then select the power button on the start menu. Now press and hold the shift key and click on restart. Then in the next menu, select troubleshoot on the choose an option menu, then click on the advanced options button, then select the startup repair on the advanced options menu. Then just proceed further with the repair process. You can also roll back Windows with system restore. Click the Windows button, then type in RSTRUY and then select it as a command from the search results. This will take you to the system restore. In here, just select the restore point, then click on next, and lastly make sure to press on the finish button to start the restoration process. And lastly, you can also reset your PC. To do this, click on the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and in here make sure system is selected from the left pane, and then on the right pane scroll down until you find and select the recovery tab. Now simply press on the reset PC button. In here you have multiple options to select to customize your reset process, so decide what is best for you, then finish by pressing the reset button to confirm. And that's it, plenty of options to consider. As usual, for more information and details you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.